In this video, we are going to learn about silicones. Silicones are in our day-to-day life we are using silicones. For example, in paints, varnishes, waterproofing textiles, in many day-to-day life materials, they are using silicones. So silicone is a polymer compound. Polymer means many. So polymer of what? So silicones are said to be a polymer of siloxanes. Polymer of siloxanes are organosilicon polymers. Organosilicon polymers with a general formula R2SiO. R2SiO. This formula is similar to that of ketone, that is R2CO. Similar to ketone. So they were named as silicones. Silicones. Since their empirical formula equal to ketones, CO group, they are called as silicones. These silicones may be linear. Linear means straight chain, or cross-linked. In between some layers are coming. Because of their very high thermal stability, they are also called as high temperature. They can withstand high temperature. High temperature polymers. They are called as high temperature polymers. So preparation. Generally, silicones are prepared by the hydrolysis of dialkyl dichlorosilanes. Now we are going to see how we are getting dialkyl silanes. Consider an alkane group. Alkane means saturated hydrocarbon. The first compound in alkane family is CH4. Now, if this H4 is replaced by Cl4 means tetrachloromethane. Methane, tetrachloromethane. Same here, if this carbon is replaced by SiH4, that is called as silanes. Silanes. If this carbon replaced by Si, that are called as silanes. So, if this H4 replaced by Cl4, chlorosilane. From here only we are going to prepare. This is the starting material used for preparing silicones, chlorosilanes. Now, in this chlorosilane, SiCl4, if one Cl is replaced by R, alkyl group, R, SiCl3, it is called as monoalkyl chlorosilane. If 2 chlorine replaced by 2 alkyl group, R2, SiCl2, dialkyl chlorosilane. If 3 chlorine replaced by alkyl group, R3, SiCl, trialkyl chlorosilane. If 4 alkyl groups replaced by 4 Cl replaced by alkyl group, R4Si. But from here, silicones cannot be prepared. So this compound is not used. These 3 compounds are used for preparing silicones. So step 1. Preparation of dialkyl chlorosilanes or trialkyl chlorosilanes. So, di or trialkyl chlorosilanes. How will you prepare? That is RCl plus Si In the presence of copper at 570 Kelvin, we are getting R2, 2 molecules R2, SiCl2. If alkyl group is used, if aromatic group is used, having the benzene ring, we are getting Ar2, SiCl2. This is the first step, dialkyl chlorosilane. Now, step 2, hydrolysis of dialkyl dichlorosilanes. So, Si, 2 alkyl group, 1 alkyl, 2 chlorine atoms. I am placing here one, This on hydrolysis. 2 molecules are used. So this Cl and this Cl is replaced by OH group. So OH, Si, OH, here both alkyl group. If once more and 2 HCl is removed. Now this is one of the compound, that is OH, Si, OH bonded to 2 alkyl group. One more compound if you are taking OH, Si, OH, R. Here water molecule removed. So we are getting OH, Si, O, Si, OH. Above the Si, 2R. This compound is formed. If one more compound is treated, OH, Si, OH, R, water molecule removed. So OH, Si, O, Si, O, Si, OH. Then above Si and below Si, alkyl group is present. Once more compound is added, removal of a water molecule, the compound still going on. Suppose this is dialkyl chlorosilane. Suppose if you are taking monoalkyl chlorosilane having only one alkyl group, that is silicon, one alkyl group, 3 sides chlorine is placed. So now on hydrolysis, the 3Cl replaced by OH plus 3HCl is removed. So Si சுற்றி 3 oxygen இருக்கணும். So if we are adding 2-3 molecules like this, we are getting a highly complex polymer, that is R, Si, O, Si, O, Si, R, O. See this Si, 3 oxygen, 1 alkyl group. This Si, 3 oxygen alkyl group. This Si, 3 oxygen alkyl group. Likewise here, Si, O, R, O, Si, R, O, Si, R, O. Like this, a highly complex polymer is got from monoalkyl chlorosilane. From dialkyl chlorosilane we are getting this polymer. From monoalkyl we are getting this polymer. Now this linear silicones now can be converted to, this linear silicones can be now converted to cyclic or ring silicones. When water molecules is removed from the terminal OH group. So one of the cyclic silicon, if you are taking the dialkyl chlorosilane silicon, 2 alkyl group, that is you can place as methyl group Me. This is one of the unit. The other unit, silicon methyl group, then one Si, CO. Similarly here also Si, here methyl group O. So this Si bonded to 2 oxygen atoms. Similarly Si, O, Me. Cyclic silicones. Now it can also be converted to ring silicones, ring-like structure. That is silicon bonded to 2 oxygen atom. Silicon bonded to 2 oxygen atom. Silicon bonded to 2 oxygen atom. Now it is fixed with 2 methyl groups. This is a ring silicon. This is a cyclic silicon. This is a ring silicon. Now the types of silicones. There are 3 types of silicones. First one is linear silicones. Linear means straight chain. They are obtained by the hydrolysis of dialkyl or diaryl silicon chloride. Still now whatever we prepared. Example, silicone rubbers, silicone resins. These are the examples for this. Silicone rubber, silicone resins. Now the second one is cyclic silicones. This is the cyclic silicones. Dialkyl chlorosilanes R2 prepared from R2SiCl2. Now one more, number 3, cross-linked silicones. They are obtained by the hydrolysis of monoalkyl chlorosilanes or SiCl3. Monoalkyl chlorosilanes. Cyclic silicones are prepared from dialkyl or 2SiCl, dialkyl chlorosilanes. So silicones, what are the uses? They are used for low temperature lubrication in vacuum pumps, high temperature oil baths. Then they are used for making waterproofing clothes. They are used as insulating material in electric motor and other appliances. Mainly they are mixed with paints and enamels to make them resistant towards high temperature, sunlight, dampness and chemicals. Now some of the properties. The cross-linking and the nature of the alkyl group determine the nature of the polymers. They range from oily liquids to rubber-like solids. Property: oily liquids to rubber-like solids. All silicones are water repellent. Why? Because this is due to the presence of organic side groups that surrounds with silicon, which makes the molecule looks like an alkane. They are also thermal and electrical insulators. Chemically they are inert. Lower silicones are oily liquids, whereas higher silicones with long chain structure are waxy solids. The viscosity of the silicone oil remains constant and doesn't change with temperature, so they don't thicken during winter. These are the properties. It's given in the book page number 48 with the uses and the types.